detected in main dorsal trunk. Please calmly move towards designated panic positions. Alert! Superorganism movement identified as choke response. Danger level set to very high. Attention! All flesh pit technicians. Lower visitor center stability overcorrect sensed. 2 out of 6 supports non-responsive. Facility is now 20 degrees off-center. Notifying surface facilities immediately. Alert! Automatic master failsafe activated. 20,000 liters aconitine compound injected. Warning, the superorganism is still responding to stimuli. Automated system recommends contingency measure. We here at Anodyne thank you very much for your visit to Mystery Flesh Pit.